Fluconazole is a popular antifungal drug used to treat fungi and yeast infections, and it is mostly used by ladies, although men also use fluconazole to treat fungi or yeast infection. So I am here to talk about the drug called fluconazole. I know you must have heard about fluconazole, but do you know about their side effects? Do you know about their clinical uses? Do you know the clinical applications of fluconazole? Do you also know the dosage? Are you taking the right dosage? And other related information. So I am here to bring to your screen the overview of the drug called fluconazole. So I still remain Pharmacist.Ezekiel. So if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, click on the subscription button and subscribe. Also click on the notification button so that anytime I upload my videos, you will get notified first. If you're watching on TikTok, on Facebook, on Instagram, please ensure that you follow. Thank you. Now let's go into the topic of the day, the drug called fluconazole. Fluconazole is a popular antifungal drug used to treat fungi and yeast infections, especially infections caused by Candida species. Yes, Candida species, candidiasis, and all its related infections. How does fluconazole work? Fluconazole works by stopping fungi from producing substances needed for the growth of their cell membranes, thereby killing or stopping their growth. So what are the conditions or the clinical cases where fluconazole can be recommended or where fluconazole can be prescribed? Number one is the one we call vaginal yeast infection or vaginal candidiasis. What are the symptoms seen in this clinical case? When there is white, thick discharge, when there is burning sensation in the vagina, when there is itching in the vagina. But this can be confirmed through a urine test so that your pharmacist or your doctor will know the exact kind of infection and the kind of antifungal, if it's a fungal infection, to prescribe. Number two clinical case where this drug can be used is what we call oral thrush, where you'll notice some white patches on your tongue, where you will notice redness of the tongue, where you will notice difficulty or pain in swallowing. Number three clinical case where this drug can be applied is what we call esophageal candidiasis, a fungal infection that affects the food pipe. Number four clinical case where this drug can be prescribed or recommended is in skin fungal infections like jock itch, fungal infection in between your groin, at your groin. Jock itch. We also have ringworm affecting your skin, and we have certain fungi rashes. Number five clinical case where this drug can be recommended or prescribed is what we call cryptococcal meningitis, a serious fungal infection that affects your brain, mostly in people with low immune system, like HIV patients, cancer patients undergoing chemotherapy, and other immune compromised patients. Number six clinical case where fluconazole can be used. Fluconazole can be used to prevent as a prevention remedy or as a prevention drug against fungal infection in immune compromised patients, like I mentioned before. What are the available dosage forms of fluconazole? We have 50 mg capsule of fluconazole. They also come in tablet, they also come in capsules, 100 mg, 150 mg, 200 mg, as the case may be. We also have oral suspension for children. We also have intravenous infusion of fluconazole. What are the common side effects of fluconazole? Common side effects are nausea, headache, vomiting, dizziness, rash, stomach pain, diarrhea, etc. But we have serious adverse effects of fluconazole. Number one of these serious side effects is what we call liver injury. That's, you will notice yellowing of the eyes. That's why it's not good to take fluconazole anyhow. For those who self-medicate, taking fluconazole anyhow might lead to liver injury, liver damage. Number two, serious side effect, it can cause palpitation, heartbeats, continuous heartbeats, abnormal heartbeats. Number three, serious side effect, it can cause allergic reactions. Serious allergic reactions. Number four, serious side effects, what we call swelling of the throat or swelling of the face. Number five is what we call severe rash, severe skin rashes. It can cause severe skin rash if not taken properly or if you are allergic to it. Number six, serious side effect is that it can cause your urine to be dark. And beyond the side effects, this drug have the potency to react with some other drugs. That is why you don't just go to a pharmacy, buy it, and you are taking it with many other drugs. Ensure that your pharmacist or your doctor is aware that you are taking fluconazole. And ensure that you tell your doctor other drugs you are taking or your pharmacist so that if there is need for fluconazole, it will be well spaced to avoid reactions or interactions with this drug. On the list of drug interactions with fluconazole, we have warfarin, is a blood thinner. Yes, warfarin. We have atorvastatin. We have carbamazepine. We have phenytoin. That's another drug that reacts, that can interact with fluconazole. We have another one we call simvastatin. So these are some of the drugs. There are more, but these are some of the drugs that react with fluconazole or that interact with fluconazole. Now you may be asking, I am pregnant. Can pregnant women take fluconazole? Fluconazole should be used cautiously in pregnancy. In fact, when your doctor confirms that the benefit outweighs the risk, they can be recommended in a low dosage. And taking it for a longer time can cause damage to the developing baby. That is why, as a pregnant woman, you must consult your doctor or your pharmacist before taking this drug. Or you may be saying, I am not pregnant, I am breastfeeding. Yes, fluconazole has a tendency to cross into the breast milk, but its amount in the breast milk is always small, which may cause little or no damage to your child. But ensure that you also consult your doctor or your pharmacist before taking this drug. Who should be careful taking fluconazole? Number one, those with kidney problems, kidney issues, kidney damages. Number two, those with liver issues. Number three, those with heart rhythm issues. If you notice that you always have palpitations all the time, your pulse is high, please see your doctor before you take this drug, or another good recommendation can be given for you because of your health. Number four, those who should be careful taking fluconazole are those who are allergic to fluconazole. In taking fluconazole, what are the tips that you need to know? Number one, do not give your leftover fluconazole to your friend. Do not do it. Do not try it. It's not medically correct or medically advisable. Number two, ensure that you finish your fluconazole drug according to dosage, according to the number of days that it was prescribed or recommended for you. Number three, if symptoms persist after taking fluconazole, seek for medical help or see your doctor to make a complaint. Don't just continue to take fluconazole like that. No. If you have finished taking your drug according to prescription, date, and time, and there's no improvement, see your doctor or your pharmacist immediately. Number four, do not self-medicate. Do not self-medicate. Ensure that it is being recommended or prescribed by you by a professional, health professional like a pharmacist or a doctor. Ensure before you start to take. Some people may be asking, can fluconazole treat bacterial infections? The answer is no. Fluconazole only works for fungi and yeast infections. Some people may be asking, if I start taking it today, how quickly does it work? For vaginal yeast infections, you can start expecting improvement after 24 to 48 hours of taking fluconazole. Although in some patients, they will start seeing improvement after some days of taking fluconazole. So it is patient dependent. Now you may be asking, can I drink alcohol with fluconazole? Although there's no specific interaction that has been noted with fluconazole when taken with alcohol. But because fluconazole has a side effect of causing nausea, dizziness, diarrhea, and so forth, alcohol can exacerbate and increase the probability of you having those side effects. So it is better avoided. Now you may be asking, yes, it is only women that take fluconazole. No. Can men take fluconazole? Yes. Fluconazole can be prescribed or recommended to men for some genital fungal infections and even oral thrush. So men can also take fluconazole. Now, if you have been following me in this video, I want to ask you one question, and please answer by putting it in the comment section. Can fluconazole be used to treat bacterial infections? Put your answer in the comment section. Till I come your way next time, my name is Pharmacist Ezekiel Ozumba. Thank you.